one object is drawn to another, we call that gravity. But when we're drawn to a presence, a feeling, well, that's something else entirely. That's something that reimagines your experience through innovation, that appeals to your senses through the power of sanctuary, where the details are thoughtfully crafted with you in mind. Ground and connect you with what matters most. Fueled by your energy. Driven by discovery. Some people call that special something an energy. Others say it's beauty. We call it the all-new 2025 Lincoln Navigator, a force of attraction at your fingertips.